Hey designers, welcome back to PX Mentor, your hub for Figma, UI/UX, and design tips. Today we're using the Perspective Toolkit plugin in Figma to transform flat cards into stunning perspective-driven visuals. Let's get started. Select the frame and add a rectangle. Change the corner radius to your desired value. Change the color to your preference. Select the frame again and set the width and height as you like. Change the frame color to white. Adjust the frame's corner radius again if needed. Add auto layout and make 2 more copies. Select all 3 frames, apply auto layout again and center them. Decrease the gap between the 3 auto layout frames. Remove the auto layout, right-click on the frame, ungroup, and ungroup again. Move the center frame to the top, place the other 2 frames behind it. Now go to Unsplash, copy the first card image, paste it into the left frame or card, and resize it. Copy the second duck image from Unsplash and paste it into the right frame or card, resizing as needed. Copy the third boat image from Unsplash and paste it into the center frame on top, then resize. Add any info text if you want to. Now go to Figma plugins and run the Perspective Toolkit plugin. Select the car frame, adjust the perspective direction to your preference. Copy the transformed car image and paste it back into the simple car frame. Run the Perspective Toolkit plugin again, repeating the same flow for the duck and boat images. Add an ellipse, change its color to black, add layer blur and reduce the opacity. Copy the blurred ellipse and drag it to the right frame side. Add another colored ellipse with layer blur and use these effects to beautify the background of all 3 frames or cards. Resize, recolor, and reduce opacity as desired. Add noise to the background to make it look more natural. Optionally, add text info below frames or cards. And that's it. Your Perspective transformed card design is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, comment, and subscribe to PX Mentor for more amazing Figma tips and plugin tricks. Watch the full tutorials and playlists on our channel. See you in the next one. Happy designing!